This was one of those days when I was preparing for my MTech entrance exams and things were not really going as planned or as expected. I kept tossing in the bed and kept changing sides, failing to get that extra sleep of few more minutes. I finally gave up. I got out of my bed after checking the time on my phone screen. 7:30 a.m. Tying my wavy hair into a bun, I just sat back on my bed, covering my face with my palms. Tension was building up on me just like every other day since the past few months. The sleep at night was the only time when my mind was probably relieved of all the pressure, only if it wasn't invaded by my thoughts and worries. I moved my hands over my face, taking in a deep breath to normalize my uneven breathing. And I stood up to walk out of my room. My mom saw me. She smiled, looking at me as she passed by the room. "So you're up. Freshen up and come. I'll prepare hot coffee for you," she said, entering the kitchen, her every word radiating her love. I nodded silently and followed. As I came out after washing my face, I heard the clinking sound of the spoon as my mom stirred the hot coffee. I walked to the terrace and looked out at the view in front. Hanging my hands into the pockets of my track pant, I took a deep breath and exhaled. "Lovely weather, isn't it?" I heard my mom say as she handed me the mug of coffee. I just smiled blankly. "Just the way you like it," she added with a warm smile and walked away. Weather? I hadn't even thought about it. Yes, it was indeed a lovely weather for me. The sky covered with clouds but no rain, cool breeze blowing over my face, and a strong wind once in a while, making the trees sway to its tune. Perfect! But not today. I was in no mood at all to notice the great weather. Today it seemed dull, just like me. The cloud-covered sky reminded me of my life covered with problems. The tensions that filled my mind didn't allow any other thought to enter it. I stood there silently, resting my elbows on the railing as I held the mug of coffee with both my hands. I was silently staring at the swimming pool beside the garden in front. I brought the mug of coffee near my lips to take a sip. The hot vapors condensed on the glasses of my specs, blurring my vision for a while, as the strong aroma of coffee filled my lungs. I took a small sip, being careful that I didn't burn my lips or tongue. I did not relish the aroma or the taste of coffee today as I would have on any other normal day. My mind was full of thoughts, full of questions. Questions? No. Doubts. Doubts about the decisions I had taken so far. I was standing on a new turn of life. I knew the right path to reach my destination. I could see it just in front of me, just a little distance away. I had been trying to move towards it for so long, but every time I ended up being just where I was standing right then. Despite putting in so much effort, I wasn't moving ahead. Pressure was building up on me. Tension surrounded me from all sides. Where was I going wrong? I didn't know. And when I looked back to see my journey so far, circumstances forced me to question my decisions till now. Circumstances forced me to doubt my capabilities. Were my decisions right? Did I make the right choices? Choice of my education field, choice of my job, choice of studying further. I was feeling weak, helpless. Several thoughts were flooding my mind, and that made me restless. Where was I falling short? Where? I was trying to find answers to all my questions. My heart always believed in my choices and kept telling me that I was never wrong. I took another sip of coffee as I came out of my thoughts, only to see the reflection of the surroundings in the pool water. The wind kissed the water surface that generated ripples that distorted the image of surroundings. I continued staring at the ripples and observed how the water deep down was still, even though the wind kept disturbing its surface. We always see that, but I observed that day very carefully, and I realized that my case wasn't very different. I had to stay composed deep within, even though the outside world kept disturbing me. The outside world meaning the circumstances, the situations that we face. I needed to keep my mind and my heart steady, whatever happened. After all, I was the one who could help me and no one else. I needed to be strong. I needed to be strong enough to face the challenges that life threw at me. I needed to move on and keep trying. I needed to keep fighting till I reached my goal to make me and my loved ones happy. Your choices were never wrong, whispered my heart. Believe in yourself, have faith, keep moving ahead, and everything will fall into place. We always have that battle, heart versus mind. So this is what the heart says every time, right? That believe in yourself and you can do anything, you can do whatever you want. I took a deep breath, filling my lungs with the fresh cool air. I raised the mug of coffee to my lips to take another sip and then realized that the mug was empty. I had finished drinking the coffee. Smiling at myself, I walked inside with a fresh hope that everything would be fine soon. Yes, we all go through such situations someday or the other in life, and we are the ones who would get ourselves out of it. That's what this realization was all about, and when you try with your whole heart, you will definitely succeed one day or the other. So this was just a small experience I wanted to share with you all. Even you might be having such experiences, which you can share in the comments below. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to comment and share this video with anyone you can. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to click on the bell button to get notifications whenever a new video is uploaded on this channel. Be safe, take care, and keep watching Dewdrop Originals.